What's going on, guys? Thomas Garetz here, and in this video, I'm gonna show you the best $1 million YouTube cash cow channel. The idea of this video actually came from you, because if we look right here, this video, the $5 million YouTube cash cow channels, I said to comment your favorite niche at the end of the video, and the most comments that I got, I would do a full video on. And you guys liked the tech niche, which is also my favorite. And this niche is actually the only one I actually showed 2 channels with, but future tech was definitely my favorite. And the reason why I like this channel more is because they use a monetization method where you can make money before you ever get monetized on YouTube. And they do all of these videos not only without showing their face, but they actually promote these products without ever creating the products. And not only will I be showing you exactly how to make the money, but I'll be showing you how to do everything in the video completely step by step. And with that being said, just make sure to smash the like button, and let's get into the video. Really quick before we get started, I want to announce the winner to the free $1,000 course that I announced on my last video. And if you want to be entered in on the drawing for this one, make sure to comment, I want to start a YouTube cash cow channel because, and then give me the reason after that in the comments down below. But the winner from last week's course is going to be put on the screen right here. And with that being said, let's get started. All right, so before I show you how to actually create these videos and all that, I kind of just want to give you a quick little rundown about how these videos actually work and how they make money. So we'll just click on this video here. It's a good thumbnail. Basically, what they're doing is they're using other people's content, product reviews and product demos, editing them together and adding a voiceover on top of it for these different cool gadgets. And they're able to use other people's content because it's under the fair use copyright law, because they're actually making it transformational by adding a voiceover and editing the video. Not to mention, the product creators are happy to let you use their product demo video because you're getting them more money. If we go to their description, you see they got all the Amazon links here, which takes you to a product page, and this is how they're making money with affiliate marketing. If you've never heard of affiliate marketing before, I'll explain the process really quick. Basically, you're the creator, but you don't have a product to promote. So instead of just making your own product and promoting that, which takes a ton of time, you're gonna go over to this company here, and they're happy to give you a commission to promote their product because you're doing the marketing for free. They just pay you a commission instead of paying for ads. So then you promote their product to the buyer with your YouTube video, and you put the links in the description. And then when that person purchases this product from Amazon or whoever, every company these days has an affiliate program, including mine at nofaceyt.com, but then you get a commission. And obviously certain products and stuff are gonna be different levels of commissions. My products, a digital product, so you're getting 50% commissions. The highest you can get on Amazon is like 10%, but you can make a ton of money because look, they got 10 products right here where they're making money from. So it's still a great way to make money, and it's coming in passively once you get it all up and running. So now that you understand that, step 1, what you gotta do is you gotta actually create your YouTube account. I've showed how to do that countless times, and it's pretty basic. One tip I will give you is obviously try to have tech in your name. There's like these like name generators. I think it's like namegenerator.com or something like that. And then you can type in tech and it will spit out like 2 or 3 word combinations with tech in it. Now for step 2, we gotta pick a video title. And I personally use a tool called Fame for this, and they have a ton of uses in here, but the main one I like is the keyword research tool. Again, I've done this countless times, so I'll try and make it quick. But basically, you see that every video they make here, they have like a list. So it's like a number because those do really well on YouTube. So what I would suggest doing is just type in basically the main part of that video. So you could do something like 10 gadgets. And then these are all the most searched things after 10 gadgets. So 10 gadgets you can buy on Amazon. Very similar to that video, which is literally that same exact thing pretty much. 10 gadgets every man should have. 10 gadgets that will help you survive, right? So you can start finding like survival gadgets on Amazon. So you can make a ton of content super easily with this. But for example, if you do 10 gadgets that will help you survive, they even show you more like uncommon keywords right here, just like other ideas for content that you could type in. So we'll just type that in for step 3, and then it gives you like rankings, and I've explained this before, but the main thing I want to show you is choose for step 4 right here. And this is where you plan out your entire video. And this is what I do for every single video on YouTube, and Morning Fame is by far the best tool that's helped me the most with my YouTube channel. You can actually get started completely free. You just need an invite code. So if you just go down to the link in the description below, I'll have my Morning Fame invite link that you can use. Now for step 3, we gotta actually plan the video itself, which also has like 3 sub steps to it. So number 1, we need to actually pick the amount of products we're gonna show in the video. So is it gonna be like the 5 gadgets, the 10 gadgets, the 12 gadgets, whatever. Number 2, we have to actually pick which gadgets we're gonna show for that video. And number 3, we have to write the script. And trust me, all that stuff is a lot easier than you'd think. So basically, to start it off, I would open up a document like this. So I got it set up where it's you have your intro, you have your outro, and then you got your products. So the first step, like I said, is choosing the amount. So I just chose 10. I'm not actually gonna add in 10, but this is just for example purposes. As for actually which products you're gonna use, there's a couple ways to go about finding them. And the first way would be simply going to like Google or YouTube and typing trendy gadgets or cool gadgets and just like looking at like what this blog post has. There's a ton here that you could look at. And then the second way, and probably the way that is more simple to me at least, is look at a couple of different of future text videos and then just take a couple from each video. So for example, let's go with like Moxie. So we'll take this one, and I would personally take the link too. So I would go over here and I would like just paste that in. A trick, let me undo that. A trick is you paste it into your browser right here and then copy it again and then paste it here, and it will come out the right size, because if you paste it from YouTube, it's gonna show as that little size, just so you know. So it's Moxie, that's the name of the product. And then I would just take this link, I would just go right here and link it right there, just so you have the link so you can go to the product page, because we're gonna need that to write the script and actually find out about the product. And then just go to another video and then grab another product, right? And then you just paste it in here. And then you grab this, you delete it, and then link it here. I'm just gonna leave it at just those 2 for now, and I think you get the idea. So something super interesting I thought about this product right here is on this video here, when he's like talking about it, he literally, and I'm not gonna actually play the sound, but this is what he did. He literally took this and he added it to like his script, and he added this too, and he literally said this word for word. No BS. And then he added after this, it was like he talked about a couple of features and benefits. You could get to wherever you want to get by flying and saving time, just kind of random stuff like that. You know, whatever. You can watch the video if you want. But basically, he's just reading like product descriptions. Literally, it's that simple. So you don't have to know anything about these products. He literally read this verbatim. And then you would do the same thing for all of your products. As for the intro and outro though, what Future Tech does, he lists each of the products and shows a quick little clip of it. So he's like, in this video, you're gonna learn about Moxie, the Moxie Bluetooth shower head, and you're gonna learn about Copter Pack, which is an electric backpack helicopter. And the outro, I didn't listen, but it's probably something like, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, or make sure to check out the product links in the description. That's literally as simple as it needs to be. So don't complicate things, you just gotta take action. But now, for step 4, you gotta actually record the voiceover. So you're gonna read the script. And there's 2 ways to do this. You can either do it yourself or pay someone to do it. And if you wanna pay someone to do it, I'll put a link in the description to a voiceover artist right here who is pretty fair. It's based on the number of words. So like if you got 1,000-word script, it's gonna be like $20. It's not cheap to outsource videos, you know what I mean? So if you're hurting and you got a tight budget, you gotta just do it yourself. And I truly suggest doing it that way, especially at the start. If you do it yourself, there's 2 ways to go about it. You can either get a microphone like the Blue Yeti, which is what I use, which I'll link in the description below, or what you can do is you can just take your phone and you can record a voice memo. It's actually crazy because these new iPhones, their microphones sound scary good. But if you got like an older phone, I'd suggest getting like a Blue Yeti or something. And I know it can be scary, like doing something new and putting your voice on video, but just remember, you're not showing your face, so no one's gonna know your voice, right? No one cares, right? It's just us like internally thinking and overthinking it, because I did the same. I was so nervous when I made my first video. All you gotta do is take action and those nerves go away. Trust me. For step 5, we gotta actually download some clips for the video. And this is actually super easy because we already have the products picked out. So we know what clips we need, you know what I mean? So for example, if we're getting clips for the copter pack, we go here to their website, and if they have videos here, great. If not, they got their YouTube right here. They got product demos right here. So this is what, again, Future Tech was using for their video. So you just click on here, and then you're gonna go up here and take the URL, and you're gonna go over to YT1S, paste it in here and hit convert, and then you do MP4 video, or you could just do 1080. I don't know what the difference. I think it's 1080 automatically, but just do 1080 right there, and then hit get link and then download. And then your video is right there. And then the other way is if it's an Amazon product, they usually have a video like in their product images here, they have a video here. So you just click on it and then you right click it. Some of them you might not be able to download. Let's see if we can. So copy video address, and then you would paste it in here. Yeah, so this one, it's not gonna let you. So what you can do is you can just screen record it while you watch it. That's one way. Or what you can do is you can take this, the name of the product, and then you go to YouTube and then you just type it in and then you do like demo or something. But you could find some demos of it. That's pretty funny. And then you would just download it with YT1S, just like we just did with the other video. But now, after you've got all your clips together, for step 6, we have to actually edit them. And I know when some people hear the word video editing, they just think it's super hard, but it's actually one of the easiest things ever. But just like with voiceovers, there's 2 ways to do it. You could do it yourself, or you can pay someone to do it. So again, I got someone I'll link on Fiverr. I will be your YouTube video editor. So 10 minutes is $10, 20 minutes is $30. Pretty affordable, but again, you're getting to be like 50, 60, 70 bucks a video if you start outsourcing all this stuff to Fiverr. It's expensive and you might not make money right away. So if you're thinking you're gonna get rich overnight, this just isn't even worth your time. But let me tell you, if you're willing to put in the work, this can be the most rewarding thing ever. Like for me, I didn't make money my first 6 months with affiliate marketing. And a year before that, I didn't make money with drop shipping. So I'm just saying, you gotta be willing to put in the hard work to get the good. You know what I mean? But anyways, so I'm not gonna actually show you how to edit a full video. I've done that before and it's gonna take super long, but I will tell you the video editing software you can use. And the first editing software you can use for Mac is free and it's iMovie. If you have Windows, HitFilm Express is great. I used to recommend OpenShop, but I just grew to hate that software. I'm not even gonna lie. My favorite editor I've ever used, and I don't even use it anymore because I switched to Mac. I could still use it with Mac, but I wanted to try something else, and I kind of regret switching because Camtasia is the best and my most favorite editor I've ever used. It's not very expensive. You don't have to pay monthly for it or anything like that. And the last one is also a free one, and it's DaVinci Resolve. I tried using this back when I had my old computer, and every time I launched it, it just crashed my computer. So unless you have a good computer, I wouldn't even suggest trying it. But they do have a free version and everything you need is in it. And it's a great editor if your computer can handle it. But now for step 7, it's time to monetize because we got to make that money. And like I said, we're going to be using affiliate marketing with this strategy because not only can you make money super passively with your videos, you don't have to be monetized on YouTube and have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. You just make money from the start, which is dope. And again, don't expect to get rich overnight, but this is how I make a full-time living just from affiliate marketing. And it changed my life and it can change yours too if you're willing to put in that hard work. But now, regardless of which program you want to promote, let's say you're using Amazon because that's what we're doing in this strategy, you go to Google and you type in Amazon affiliate program. It's called Amazon Associates and you would just click right here. But for example, if you're like promoting some random product, you would just type in product name plus affiliate program and you would find the affiliate program if they have one. But yeah, so you would just click right here and then you would just sign up here and then you can start earning commissions. But now let me show you how to actually get your affiliate links so you can make that that commission. So basically, once you sign up for the affiliate program, if we go up here, you see this Amazon Associates thing. Make sure you're on the product that you want to get the link for. So this is the Bluetooth shower head, which is actually super cool. $205. Okay, not so cool. You want to hit text and you want to make sure it's on short link, because the full link, that's what it looks like. You don't want that. So go to short link here, and that's the affiliate link that you get that he has in his description here. If someone clicks on this link and purchases, you make a commission. It's that simple. You don't have to deal with shipping costs, chargebacks, customer support, payment processors, nothing. You don't even have to create the product. You just get traffic to the link and get paid. But now you would just take your link, copy it, and then you would go over to Morning Fame, and then you would just paste in your links just like he does. You could do it a different way if you want, but just model what he's doing, and also make sure you add in these 2 disclaimers here, put them down here, and that's pretty much what you would do for your description. And then all you do is you go to YouTube, you hit create and upload video, and you rinse and repeat that process over and over again, and you got yourself a legitimate online business with a YouTube cash cow channel, and you can start making passive income. But like I said, I didn't go too in depth into most of this stuff because I didn't want this video to be an hour and a half long, because I already have like completely free courses on my channel teaching all this stuff. But if you want to learn everything I know, and where I go super in depth and show things I've never showed on YouTube, like bonus monetization methods and every step-by-step process to making a YouTube channel in all types of different niches without showing your face, then I highly suggest learning more about my No Face YouTube course at nofaceyt.com. But that's all I got. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Speaking of the next video, if you want to watch a full in-depth tutorial where I teach you how to make money on YouTube without showing your face, you can click the video on the screen right now. See you over there.